ओके, तो चलिए हम आ गए हैं वीक 5 पे। एंड इस वीक में वी विल ट्राई टू कवर वी आर प्लानिंग टू कवर द चैप्टर 2 starting on the chapter 240 shlokas. There might be some little bit of background noise as I'm in a place where it's kind of little occupied, but bear with me. I'll try to be as crisp and as clear as possible. Okay, so let's start. तं तथा कृपयाविष्टम् अश्रुपूर्णकुलेक्षणं विषिदन्तमिदं वाक्यम् उवाच मधुसूदन। कुतस्त्वाकश्मलमिदं विषमे समुपस्थितम् अनार्यजुष्टं स्वर्ग्यम् अकीर्तिकरम् अर्जुन। क्लैब्यं मास्मगमपार्थ नैतत्त्वयुपपद्यते क्षुद्रं हृदय दौर्बल्यं त्यक्तोत्तिष्ठ परन्तप। Sorry about this. कथं भीष्ममहं सङ्ख्ये द्रोणं च मधुसूदन इषुभिः प्रतियोत्स्यामि पूजार्हा वरिसूदनः। नेक्स्ट श्लोक. So basically, now still Arjun is in an emotionally disturbed state, okay, and that is like kind of continuing, right? He is still telling why telling the reason, right? What he was telling in the first chapter, he's still continuing on that, saying that why he did not want to fight a war, okay. So next shloka. Gurun hatva hi mahanubhava श्रेयो भोक्तुं भैक्षमपि लोके हत्वार्थकामास्तु गुरूनिहैव भुञ्जीय भोगान् रुधिरप्रदिग्धान्। नेक्स्ट श्लोक. न चैतद्विद्मकतरन्नुगर्यो यद्वा जयेम यदि वा नो जयेयुः यानेव हत्वा न जिजीविषामः तेव स्थिता प्रमुखे धार्तराष्ट्रः. नेक्स्ट श्लोक. कार्पण्यदोषोपहत स्वभावः पृच्छामि त्वां धर्मसम्मूढचेताः. कार्पण्य फिर से मैं भूल रहा हूँ, फिर से रिमाइंड करता हूँ. कार्पण्यदोषोपहत स्वभावः पृच्छामि त्वां धर्मसम्मूढचेताः. यश्रेयस्यान्निश्चितं ब्रूहि तन्मे शिष्यस्तेऽहं साधि मां त्वां प्रपन्नम्. नेक्स्ट श्लोक. न हि प्रपश्यामि ममाप्नुद्य इच्छोकमुच्छोषणमन्द्रियाणाम् अवाप्य भूमा वसपत्नमृद्धं राज्यं सुराणामपि चाधिपत्यम्. Okay, so next set of 4 more shlokas where he's still he's giving his reasoning why he didn't want to fight a war. Okay, next shloka. Eva muktva rishikesh gudakesh parantap nayosya iti govindam uvacha madhusudanah. तमुवाच ऋषिकेश प्रहसन्नीव भारतः सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये रथं सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये. तमुवाच ऋषिकेश प्रहसन्नीव भारतः सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये विषिदन्तमिदं. शायद मैं भूल रहा हूँ. आई ट्राई टू कवर दिस वन लेटर. असोच्यानन्वसोचस्त्वं प्रज्ञवादांश्च भाषसे गतासु न गतासूंश्च नानुशोचन्ति पंडितः. नेक्स्ट श्लोक. न त्वेवाहं जातु नाशं न त्वं नेमि जनाधिपः न चैव न भविष्यामः सर्वे वयमतः परम्. नेक्स्ट श्लोक. देहिनोऽस्मिन् यथा देहे कौमारं यौवनं जरा तथा देहान्तरप्राप्ति धीरस्तत्र न मुह्यति. नेक्स्ट श्लोक. मात्रा स्पर्शास्तु कौन्तेय शीतोष्ण सुखदुःखदः agamapaino nitya tastikshasva bharata. So basically, after all he has said, Arjun, right? He's kind of he's kind of now he's kind of into a resigning mode where he wants, okay, where he wants some guidance. Okay, so basically, right now, in a life, what happens, right? Basically, you don't give any guidance until people are specifically seeking for it. Okay, if you tell people some good things, they will never follow, but until they ask from us, right? What if they are in an emotional problem, right? Or they have an intellectual confusion, and then they ask for your guidance, then you give them the guidance, right? That will work. But otherwise, if you keep on giving them a roadmap, they are not going to follow. So that is what Arjun is into a very critical stage. Okay, now he's seeking a guidance of Krishna. Now, one more thing which we need to see from this 14 shlokas what we cover, right? So, life is a journey, right, from dependency to independency, right? Now, now this dependency, what we are talking about, we are always dependent upon others, right? Now, if you talk about when you were very young, right, or when you are very old, right, both the times you are always dependent. But even when you are in the middle, right, there is a dependency. You depend on various services from different people, right? You are dependent on teachers, your psychological teachers, and so on and so forth. Right? So you basically, life is kind of a dependency. Now, the struggle is to come out of this dependency and and become more freedom, and that is all about. That is all which we are striving for, to be free, right? To be free of all dependency, right? So this is all about the first chapter. We'll continue talking about not about the first chapter, but the chapter 2 first part, where we try to cover the 14 shlokas, right? So just disclaimer: 11 shloka is I am not able to complete and I've forgotten it, but I will not cover it and I'll leave it as a bug, okay, or as a defect in this. Okay, so take care, guys. Bye bye.